So the time has come. Bye-bye. It is time to leave our beautiful couch surfer Maricor's home. We had an amazing stay here.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you guys and also Iliana.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go catch a bus and head to Dumaguete. So let's go do that. Bye guys. Bye bye. We got a whole crew rolling with us to the bus stop. So what'd you think of your first couch surfing experience?
Super good.
Right?
Such a nice family and good food, good vibes. I don't know, we did so much adventuring.
Yeah.
Very hospitable.
Yeah. As soon as we arrived there, I just felt like we were part of the family.
Yeah.
So welcoming, so nice. The genuine love in this family. Such a big family too. Thank you guys so much for hosting us. We really appreciate you. Hopefully we'll see you again. By the way, if you come to Cebu, come down to Badian and join an MCDC tour. That's Maricor's name. All right, now we wait for a bus to take us to the port so we can take a ferry to a place called Dumaguete. I've heard it's very nice, and we're bringing you there, so let's go. Bring it in. Now we have to take a trike to the port. Made it on the boat. We'll see you in Dumaguete. Boom! And we made it to Dumaguete. That was a quick ride. Maybe like 40 minutes?
Something like that, 8 minutes, 4 minutes.
After we're used to like 18-hour ferry rides. That was like a blink of an eye. And as per usual, we have no accommodation booked. So we're just gonna walk into town if we can. I don't even know if we can walk there. We gotta get a ride. So we'll figure that out, trying to find a place to stay and go explore the area. Let's do it.
How about you, sir? Bicycle.
No thank you.
Right?
How far is town?
What?
How far is the town?
About 7 to 8 kilometers.
Oh, how much for a ride into town?
150.
150 for both of us?
Yeah.
So those guys over there were trying to get us to jump in a trike with them to give us a ride about 5-7 kilometers to where they said there's hostels. But we're just gonna walk around this local town for a minute to see if there's anything over here, because tomorrow morning we're probably gonna have to come back to this port anyway. So if there's a place to stay right near the port, we don't have to get a ride. So we might as well check. And if anything, we can always just go back to those guys and get a ride anyway. So it's worth trying out to see if there's anything over here first. And we could also see if there's any cheaper rides out there. Because typically when you arrive in a destination, the guys over there who offer you rides will be the most expensive. And sometimes if you walk a few minutes away from them, you can get a cheaper ride. So we're always looking for the low budget travel. Is there a hotel or hostel over here?
Very cheap.
No?
What name of the hotel?
We're just looking for one.
In the city?
Is there anything around here? Near here? Walk?
No.
Nothing.
In the only the city.
Only in the city. Honestly, it doesn't look like there's anywhere to stay around here. Everyone's saying that all the hotels and hostels are in the city, which you can't walk there. It's a little too far. So, looks like, what should we ask these guys how much to the city? How much?
10 pesos only.
How much?
10 pesos.
10 pesos. All right.
Very good.
Very good.
This one.
This one.
No.
Cool. Found a 10 peso ride to the city. See? You just leave the main area. Wow! What is your name? What's your name?
Deveno.
Deveno. I like your hat.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. So we made it downtown. Step 1 complete. Now we just have to find a place to stay. We're on the hunt right now. I was looking on the maps and it seems like it's rather scattered. There's not really an area for backpackers. There's a few hostels. We looked on Hostel World, there's only one hostel available. So we have the rate, it's about 500 pesos a person. But I also noticed there's some hotels and lodges right in this area. So if we can walk to a place and get the same or better rate, then let's just stay around here. This guy's being nice. He saw we were looking for a place to stay. He's bringing us to a hotel or something. I don't know. Thank you.
Just wondering if you have any rooms available, what's your rate?
Yes, we have 800.
800 and for
It was free breakfast on aircon, CR, and
for 2 people 800?
yes,
Perfect. Yeah. Done? Yeah?
Yeah?
Sweet. Got a good start. There you go.
Decent. Woo! So we found a room. I think we ended up going to about 3 places, but I didn't film any of that. I just filmed the last one we went to, which happened to be the one we stayed at.
Yeah.
And it was the best rate also. The first one we went to was like something, and the second one was something, and the third one was something, but this one was the best something, so we went with this something. No, it was 800, right? 800 pesos for the 2 of us in this room. Decent. We're only gonna be here one night, so we don't need anything fancy. And just the feeling of overwhelmed travel. Hot, it's very hot outside, so if anything I was explaining before, walking on the streets didn't make any sense, I'm sorry. Bags are heavy, sun is hot, I'm tired and hungry. Let's go explore. We're back on the street. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Are you thirsty?
I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, we need to refuel ourselves, so we're gonna walk around like aimless little tourists and try to find some fuel for our bodies and not get hit by cars as we cross the street. One thing I've noticed about the Philippines, they love bakeries. There are so many bakeries. There's one right there.
One right there.
There's one right there. And there's probably 15 others.
One there.
Actually, another one right there. And another one right there. There's 4. I can see 4 bakeries right now where I'm standing.
10 seconds.
And I smell them too. Smells yummy, scrumdiddlyumptious. So we stumbled across a local market. Back in the States, when you go to the grocery store, this is their open grocery store here. Woo! 160. All right, that's a good price.
160? 160.
That's good.
Not a 260. Only 160.
This is some fresh fish, just caught. Woo! Hello. Where are you now? We're having fun in this market. Hey! This is my favorite market ever. Ooh, these are some colorful fish. Hello. Wow, that was such a cool and a happy market. Everyone in there was smiling at me and happy, and some even sang with me. Not gonna lie, I've been to many markets in Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, and those people were very friendly and welcoming. Especially, they looked at the camera and they smiled, as opposed to, like when I was in Vietnam, people hated my camera. They saw my camera and they would look away or give me a weird face, but here everybody loves the camera. Everybody's so friendly. I love the Philippines. But we don't have anything to cook with, and I'm not trying to eat some raw fish, so we're still on the hunt to find somewhere to eat. Honestly, I don't even mind walking around. This is such a cool little city.
We're like the only white people.
Yeah, I haven't seen any other foreigners. This is fun. Ooh, they have a fruit and vegetable plaza. Let's walk in here. Wow, so much fruit. Guys, I found my paradise. Ah, banana land. If you know me, you know how much I love bananas. I'm in heaven right now. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
In Asia, a very common fruit is jackfruit. Look at the size of this one. I have a very big head, and this is much bigger than my very big head. Probably gonna come back here later and get some fruit for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going on a little adventure. Where are we going tomorrow?
Apple Island!
Yeah, we're going to a place called Apple Island. And a
big green turtle.
Yeah, apparently there's so many turtles there. So we both love turtles. Who doesn't love turtles, right? So we're excited about that. So we're probably gonna go back there and stock up on some fruit later so we can eat healthy tomorrow. But again, continuing our quest to find some food. Let's go. Jollibee? Nah, I'm gonna save Jollibee for a day where I can try it. I definitely want to make a video about my first time trying Jollibee, but today's not the day. So for now, we'll just wave. Hello. Well, we still haven't found any food, but we made it to the water. There's a beautiful walkway over here, and I want a picture by this sign. So one of the biggest challenges we face here in the Philippines is finding food for Eliana. She's a vegetarian, and as are a lot of people who travel, almost all of the food here in the Philippines is cooked with meat. Even the food that's not even meat, it's just cooked with meat. All the vegetables are cooked with pork or chicken or beef. Everything is cooked with meat. We went to maybe 10 restaurants so far, and they don't have any vegetarian options. But we're not giving up. We'll find something. Hello.
Have a sip.
Yeah. Do you have any? You have food?
Food, yes.
Do you have any vegetarian food?
Vegetarian pizza.
Pizza. I went with a quick gyro, only 30 pesos. That's a deal. They do have vegetable gyros, but it's only cabbage and cheese, and Eliana was not very happy about that. I don't know where she went. She went off somewhere else. She's claiming she's not hungry, so she's not gonna eat, but I know she's hungry. So we're gonna try to find her food, because I don't wanna let her not eat, because that's gonna affect me, because I know she'll be in a bad mood, and I don't wanna get in a bad mood, because she's in a bad mood. So let's go find her some veggie food. Tell me that. What do we get?
Macaroni salad and mixed vegetables.
Cool.
Oh darling, there ain't no pleasing you.
So it's not exactly food, but for the past few weeks, Eliana has been craving avocado shakes. And avocado is off season right now, so nowhere has avocados, but we found some. So I hope this makes her a little bit more happy. I got some food, but of course it's chicken, so she's not gonna eat that. Check it out, nice little chicken wrap. She sucked down that shake. That was like 10 seconds ago, she just got that shake. The pizza was too expensive in the cafe. The vegetables had too small of a portion, but the avocado shake was just right. It's like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. But this time we're drinking avocado shakes and saying no to pizza and vegetables. Eliana got her corn. So we made it back to the room, showered up, and on the way back we stopped and got these little fried banana snack treat things, and it's good, it's good. Our day is coming to an end, so that means the vlog is also coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed traveling with us today. It's been a random, fun day here in the Philippines. Gonna enjoy these snacks, call it a night. We'll see you tomorrow, and like we said,
Apple Island.
Apple Island. We'll see you there.
See you guys.
Good night, guys. Peace.
Night.